Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nothing Phone 3A Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, open it and set it up. Firstly, hit I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Nothing Phone and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on a Nothing Phone, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. Whatever you decided to do, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!